Holy shit, open the doors. Open the doors, everybody, open the doors. Look at my face. Look at my face. Ready? I remember making French onion soup back in 2005, which we were behind the camera said that wasn't long ago, and I was like, that's like, what, 15 years ago? So yes, it's long ago. And I remember using stock, and we made stock from scratch, and I had wine, and we had croutons, and I just remember it being so delicious. I don't have any stock today. This is kind of a cheats version, but what's really cool about it is it's user-friendly and it's done with really simple ingredients. And there's a very cool technique to French onion soup, and that is getting the onions down to this like sexy, golden, caramelizing situation of glory is what we need to get it down to, which is a whole technique in itself. But let me introduce you to the stars of the show, which is absolutely not me. It's this situation in front of me, which is so cool. So I've got some sliced onions, around about a kilo? A kilo, yeah. Which de-sliced in the food processor, right? I know, right? So you didn't have to do it by hand. You just on the slicing blade of the food processor, which is freaking genius. Hello, stop it already. But they really do smell.
Until I get.
Yeah, they really do smell. It's really quite strong. I've got some fresh thyme. And look, you can use dried thyme. Yeah, it's just not, it's just different. Like, it doesn't bring it home, you know? It's really concentrated, and fresh has this lighter, more deliciousness of beauty that comes out of it. It's not so pungently intense when it's dried. I've got some white wine, I've got some garlic, and I've got some miso paste. And I've got my water here, and I've got this really sexy loaf of bread. Let me just uncover this for you. Dee got me this today. Look at this. This is banana flour bread. Depends where you live and where you're from. No, it's not a recipe of mine. It belongs to a company called the Banana Flour Company, right? It's amazing here in Indonesia, and it's gluten-free, delicious sourdough bread, and it's an incredible product. It is amazing. All right, so the first thing we're gonna do, everybody, is we're gonna get a pot and put it on the stove. You want high heat. So I'm going to give this like a minute to get super hot. What? He came and did a close-up. He was like, oh, what's in there? Oh my God. Okay, so I want a good splash of olive oil. Where are you? Okay, a really good splash. So have a look at this. Okay. All right. Are you ready? Are you everyone ready? You're gonna open the doors here. This is cold because these have been in the fridge. This is hot, and it's gonna sizzle. It's not gonna burn, it's gonna sizzle. Now the aim of the game is to completely get these onions to be completely caramelized. And I don't mean dark brown, but I mean brown. We want to be scraping the bottom of the barrel here of all the yumminess that's coming out of the sugar in the onion. So I'm going to take a seat here. I'm going to hang out in my kitchen while I breathe and chill out with my friends behind the camera, because there's people here, quite a few of you, and allow this to do its thing. That smells like meat.
That smells like meat.
That smells like meat.
And now we need to open the doors.
Holy shit, open the doors. Open the doors, everybody, open the doors. That smells like beef.
Because when you cook beef, you put this in as well, maybe.
No, that smells like beef. That smells like beef. What are you talking about, dude? So the whole house is actually smelling like onions. It's like insane. We've had to open up all the doors, but check this out. Those little bits down the bottom are not burnt. Now, if they were, shit's gonna get bitter. You do not want to burn this. That's why I've hung around this space for the last 30 minutes. This is when your thyme goes in. And I'm not gonna sit here and take these baby leaves off the stem. I'm just gonna grab a good handful like this. I'm just gonna bless it like this. It's gonna go straight into there. Oh, that's hot. And now goes my garlic, which is I'm gonna grate straight in. Yum, how good is that smelling? Now I'm gonna add a little bit of pepper, just a little. And my miso paste. Why didn't I add salt? Because miso is quite salty. So that's gonna go straight into there. Now have a look at this, come on. Yeah, it does, hey. This is when we have a little taste. Oh my God, it's really good. We do need some salt now, just a little. It's really important to taste your food. That kind of beginning, middle and the end, you know what I mean? Have another look in here, come on. So a little bit longer. This has been like 30 minutes so far. See how that's brown and still not burnt? Like it is definitely delicious. And all I'm doing, I'm not burning. I'm kind of going to say that over and over again. Because remember I was taught this and the head chef to me said, you burn that, you're going to cut those hundreds of kilos of onions back up again, you're going to start all over again. So there's just no way I'm going to burn this. I'm really scraping those yummy brown sugary bits from the bottom of the pan. Just lifting them up. Okay, I'm just about to put the wine in. Do you want to come over here, come on? Like in here with me? So you can really watch this action part, hey? Because what I want to do is I want to deglaze that pan. See all that? I want to get that wine in there and it's going to lift all that up. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Is everyone ready? Okay. See how it's picking it up? All that dark stuff. Oh my God, the alcohol is intense. Just picking it, this is called deglazing, right? Oh my God, it's just picked that all up. Dee, you need to come and have a look. Come in here, mate, have a look. Dee's been stirring the pot while I've been mucking around over there at the computer. See, look at that. See how it's picked up all that dark? And you're constantly moving, if you do this at home, you constantly move your pot around, right? See how it's all come off? Come on, come and have another look. Everybody's here today.
Rita, come have a look.
We're behind the camera, he can't have a look. See how it's all gone, come on?
Yeah.
And then I've just... I know, right? That's really close, mate. All right, it's really close. See, now all that has gone. Can you believe it? Like all that delicious, crunchy, full of flavour, concentrated. Oh my God. Sorry, it's just a moment. It's really emotional. It's all gone. And I just stayed with it. And this is all you got to do is monitor that heat, dance with that flame, move stuff around. You know, have things moving constantly. Okay, now I'm going to add my water. I do not have stock today. Okay? If I had stock in the fridge, I'd use stock. How do you make stock? Go to one of my online cooking classes, jump in there. It's called Let's Eat Light and Easy. Get in there, check it out. I show you how to make a basic stock, but I'm using water today. The alcohol has simmered into the onions and cooked away. It has gone. It's delicious. I'm going to add this water. Okay, that's the water. Once again, everybody, You're going to splash, not splash. How would you say this? You're going to get those bits up the side. Come and have a look, come on. It's kind of like I'm washing the side of the pan with the onions. It's kind of a weird thing. But you can see all that there, right? Watch this. See how that's gone? Okay. High heat. And it's not really the time to have it, but it's the time to taste it. Is that my phone? Sorry about that. Hi, it's me. Oh, it's my mate Rochelle wondering where her naan bread is. Oh, that tastes good. Holy shit, that tastes really good. Dee, come and taste it. It's getting there, yeah? It's got the wine. You can still taste the wine in there. Okay. I reckon we cook this, we bring it to the boil, and we simmer it for another 15 minutes. And then we taste it again. Slowly, slowly. It's coming through, right? Slowly. Now it just has to condense. All right. This is bubbling away beautifully. Tastes amazing. Now with my bread, because we don't have any gruyere cheese, is that how you say it? Gruyere? Gruyere. I am just going to baste this glory bread with some garlic, grated salt and pepper and some olive oil, and just brush it on here. That's what I love to do. It's like garlic bread. It's actually beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. And I'm just toasting that garlic side. Have a look at that. And I want that to become yummy and crunchy. So I'm good to go there. You go ahead and put gruyere cheese. Gruyere cheese if you want to. You can do whatever you want. You put vegan cheese on there, I don't care, whatever. This is what we got today. No judgment, no rules. Have a look at this soup. This is where shit's getting real right now. Another taste. I've had about 10. As it's been boiling for like nearly 30 minutes. Oh, it's so good. You know what we were talking about before? Just a little pinch of maple syrup. Why would you do that? Because you can. We're going to do it. And the reason why I want to do it, because it just takes the edge off. And I'm talking like half a teaspoon of maple. That is maple, good. It's not sesame seed oil. It has happened before, trust me. Just half a teaspoon. Nothing extravagant, everybody. Don't freak out. Turn off the power. And this beauty's going to come over here. And then we're going to set up our glory in our bowls. Our beautiful, I'm so happy right now. You know those stalks of thyme? I'm kind of sifting around them because we don't want to have a stalk of thyme in there, do we? Our bread, that's super crunchy and lush. Hot, 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 cut in half, cut in half. This is dinner tonight, yeah? And it's really hot in here and we need to go. Done. Like, done, done, done. This is it. Oh my God, I'm so glad to show you this. So check it out. All for you at home. Something done with the most simplest ingredients in the whole world. I'm going to sit down and have a big slurp of this. I will see you next week here in this situation where we get to eat.